Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I am Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. How are you my dear friends? I hope you are doing well. So friends, first of all, I want to thanks who supports me, who likes my video. So thank you so much friends. It makes me happy and encourages me to make more videos. So thank you so much. So friends, as you know, we will started unit 1 of paper 6, sociology and education. Today I am done with that. From that unit I thought 5 to 6 questions I did. I left one question, impact of socialization on education. I hope you will do that. If not, you comment me in the comment box. I will try to do that. Okay. So today we'll start unit 2, culture and education. So friends, first unit, sociology and education. There we study about the meaning of sociology, nature and scope of sociology, relationship between sociology and education. Same like that today. Now we'll study from unit 2, culture and education, means meaning of culture, definition of culture, characteristics of culture, relationship between culture and education, like that. Okay, so let's start today's class. So friends, here you can see the second unit, culture and education, from paper 6. Some important questions are here. We will do one by one. If my videos are really helpful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like. And friends, another thing, let me know how is my handwriting, is you are understanding or not. Okay. Now, the first question is meaning and definition of culture. So friends, what do you understand about culture? Friends, for example, seeing a person, you can guess he belongs to which religion. Their way of talking, their dressing, seeing their dressing style, you can guess. Okay, yes or no? So now understand about culture. Culture means a way of life of a society. Okay, it includes the way of eating, wearing cloth, how you worship, your language, getting married, getting buried, and festivals. Seeing your festivals, we can guess. Okay, this is culture. Culture vary from society to society. Every human belong to a particular culture. Okay, Hindus have different culture, Muslims have different culture, and every person belongs to their religion. Okay, according to their religion, their culture. Yes or no? So, what is the meaning of culture? Culture derived from a Latin word colere, which means to cultivate, to civilize, to worship, cultivation of the soul or mind. Okay, so this is the meaning of culture. Okay, culture means a way of life. It includes how you eat, how you wear, how you worship, and your festivals. Okay, and every human belongs to a particular culture. Okay, so culture derived from Latin word colere. Colere means to cultivate. Now, culture has 3 aspects. What are these aspects? The external surface, civilization. External surface, civilization. Social institutions of the people. Psychology of the people. Okay? Psychology of the people. Why this is like Muslims will do like that, Hindus will do like that, Christians will. This is psychology of the mind. Social institutions of the people, means see, Hindus will go to temple, like Christians will go to church, Muslims will go to masjid, their culture like that. External surface, for seeing external you can guess their culture. Seeing their culture you can guess he belongs to what. Yes or no? Now, the definition of culture. See, according to Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, what he said, culture is widening of the mind and the spirit. This is Nehru's definition. He said culture means widening of the mind and the spirit. What Gandhiji said? Gandhiji said culture is the foundation, the primary thing. It should show itself the smallest details of you. It will show you how you conduct your personal behavior, how you sit, how you walk, how you dress up. Inner culture must be reflected in your speech, the way in which you treat visitors. See, this is external, how you dress up, how you sit, how you walk, how you talk. But he said your inner culture will reflect in your speech. How politely you are talking, how crudely you are talking, the way in which you treat visitors and guests, behave towards one another, towards your teacher and elders will show you your inner culture. By external culture, this is how you will talk and dress up. The inner culture will tell how you speech, how you treat each other, how you respect your teacher, your elders. Okay? And what Woodward said about culture? Culture includes anything that can be communicated from one generation to the other generation. See what my father's culture, I will obey that. Okay? See, from grandfather to my father to my brother, like that it will. So culture includes anything that community, it will go from generation to generation. Okay? So this is the meaning and definition of culture. Okay? So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you for watching my video.